Hello everyone, my name is Olga and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be reviewing my GG Gucci belt, which I hope will help you to figure out your sizing and maybe clear up some other questions that you might have about this belt if you are shopping for one online. I don't want to do a longer intro for this video, so without further ado, let's get started. I got this one from Net-a-Porter because it was sold out elsewhere in my size. So it came in this classic, beautiful black Net-a-Porter box, and it comes with this satin Gucci dust bag. I would guess that if you order it directly from Gucci.com, you would receive it in a Gucci box, but I'm not 100% sure because, as I mentioned, I got it from Net-a-Porter and this box is the only box I have, which I don't mind, and I love to keep my belt in this box. So it also comes with this little book. This one, I'm not sure what it's called, but if you're looking for one and if you're wondering if it comes with it when you order it from Net-a-Porter, then yes, it does. At least this is what I got. And it also came with another card, which I think is a serial number, but I'm not 100% sure, to be perfectly honest with you. So let's get to this review, shall we? So as you may know, this belt also comes in a larger size, as in the buckle is much bigger, but I went for the smaller version because I have a rather small frame, so I figured that a big buckle will be a little bit overwhelming in proportion to my body. So I went for this one and I couldn't be happier because it works perfectly for me. It looks very elegant, it creates a statement at the same time and elevates any even a very simple outfit, like something I wear right now, black jeans, black t-shirt. I'm 5.7 and I wear jeans in size 28. I got this belt to wear with my lowish waisted jeans, so I got it in size 85. But I loved this belt so much that I didn't really expect to love it that much, honestly, but I loved it so much that I wanted to wear it with all of my other jeans, and it just so happened that I prefer high-waisted jeans, and it created a tiny little problem because this belt in size 85 is just a little too long to wear around my waist. So after some contemplating, I went to my local shoe hospital and they were nice enough to punch an additional hole in my belt for free, which was great. I know that you can go to your local Gucci boutique, and from what I read online, they can do the same for you. They can punch an additional hole in your Gucci belt. But my local Gucci store is 40 minutes away from me, and the shoe hospital is just 10 minutes away, so the choice was clear. To answer your question, yes, it was a little bit of a thrill to punch a hole in a brand new Gucci belt, but well, I really wanted to wear it with my other jeans, you know. Luckily, it worked perfectly. It didn't destroy the belt or anything, and now I am able to wear it with any pair of jeans I want, so great. So this is what this belt looks like when I wear it with my low-waisted jeans. It fits very nicely and I love it. If I'll wear this one with my high-waisted jeans, however, you'll notice that the fit isn't all that great. It definitely looks like the belt is too big and I have to size down. So this is why I had to have the additional hole punched in it so I can wear it with my high-waisted jeans, which I have plenty of. It made a whole lot of difference and it definitely made the belt more practical for me. Speaking of wear and tear, I'm very happy with this purchase because I can't really see any, which is great because some belts tend to deteriorate, right? And as of comfort, it's extremely comfortable, which I love because comfort is a big deal for me. This one is very soft and it is just perfect. So this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope it helped you to make the right decision when it comes to sizing, and maybe it cleared up some of the other questions you could have when shopping for this belt online. If so, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. I will be doing a video review of my Gigi belt bag very soon, so if you are in the market for one of those, stick around. With all of that being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video.